Hi friends, welcome to my channel Code GV. I hope you are doing well. So friends, in this video let's learn about how to create threads, how to start threads in Java. Let's see one code example for creating or starting a threads in Java. Okay, so let's proceed. Friends, here I do have one class with name TD. So let's create one more class that extends the thread class or which will implements the runnable interface. Okay, so here I am creating one class with name class empty class empty. Sorry, the name of class I am taking as my class my thread. Okay, which extends thread class. Okay, now friends, let's override the unimplemented method run. Okay, so select the run method from this list and click on OK. Delete super.run. So friends, we have override the run method. Now friends, let's use for loop to print the message thread running 5 times. Okay, so I am using this for loop in the run method. So let's proceed. For int I equal to 0, I is less than 5, where I increment the I plus print the message. So friends, here I have added one for loop which prints the message thread running 5 times. Okay, so let's move into main method. Let's move into main method and create an instance of the thread class. Okay, let's create an instance of the thread class. So new my thread constructor semicolon. Let's come to the left side, write the class name again, my thread. The object name will be in small letters, my thread. Okay, save the code. So we have created here the instance of the thread class with name my thread. Okay, now friends, let's call the start method on the thread instance my thread. On the thread instance, the name of the thread instance is my thread, to start the thread. Okay, so we are calling here start method on instance my thread. So let's do that. My thread dot start, my thread dot start constructor semicolon. Sorry, method start, method signature. Now friends, let's define one more for loop to run the thread concurrently with the newly started thread. So let's do that. For int I equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus which prints the message main thread running plus I. Fine friends, so let's revise our code. Let's revise each line of our code right now. Let's understand about the each line of code. So friends, first we define a class myThread that extends the thread class. Inside the myThread class we override the run method. This method contains the code. This method contains the code that will be executed when the thread is started. Okay, and in this td class we create an instance of the myThread class. We create an instance of the myThread class named myThread, which represents our custom thread. Later on we start the thread by calling the start method on myThread object or instance. So this method initiates the thread and calls the run method defined in our myThread class. Okay friends, so the main thread continues to run concurrently with the newly started thread. So in this example both the main thread and the custom thread will run and print message concurrently. So friends, let's run our code now. So friends, this is our output: main thread running, okay, main thread running till 0 to 4 and thread running till 0 to 4. Okay, so in this way we can create or start the threads in Java. So this is all about starting thread in Java. Please do, we will learn more about threads in our upcoming videos. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel CodeGV. Please help to grow my channel. Please add values to my videos by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.